creatives are very important in social media. Just I'll show you here. When I'm scrolling down, this is the normal post. And if you see the sponsored ad, okay, obviously sponsored ad, they want to work on the creative. Let's see more creatives here. This is really great image. Maybe Durga Mata image. This is nicely captured. See the engagements. If a nice image is there, good engagement will come. And even in LinkedIn as well. This is the video. Yes, guys, still I'm facing issues with ads, so I switch back to mobile data. Okay, right. So we were talking about the creative. Creative is very important in social media because people don't want to engage on a normal post. Even you as well, when you're scrolling down on Facebook, you might like a good image or a video or a GIF. A normal one, you might not like it actually. Now see, this is also one image. You just observe how they're posting. Best way to learn creative is start observing. From now onwards, use social media not like a normal user. You just use it to time pass, right? From now onwards, observe how the guy is making a creative. Where is the logo? What is the text color and how the font color is, what they have highlighted. So if you observe this, that's it. You will learn so many things. See this creative. It's a paid ad. And how they're trying this. Same everywhere, Twitter and Facebook as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rules here. I'm going with the Instagram post now. You can use anything, Facebook, Twitter, anything. I'm just going for a Instagram post. Let me go for a square post. Already they have a predefined templates. If you have a paid one, that is really good actually. So this is the paid one. This is good for even education. I'm into education already. So many education and consulting related templates are there. Gym related things are there. Food related templates are there. So that's why Canva is good for you. See, even this is for agency. This is looking good actually. I can use both of them for education. These two are really good. Guys, all of you are with me? You can hear me, right? Asha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Sachin, I want to use this. What is the rule when you want to create an image? Remember, so now I'll come back to the mistakes you've done here. So this is the Saipon image. This is okay. Mohan. See here, I'll tell you this is wrong. Generally, what we feel is we will try to add so much content so that it will be meaning for the audience. Audience should read more and I should get benefit. This is our feeling, but this is wrong, you know. Whenever you're scrolling down on a social media, these kind of things are clumsy, you know. They will never see this kind of post actually. So your poster should be in such a way 70% image and 30% only text. Remember this, because people will stop by image, not a text. Now this is not at all an image. This is a text actually. So this will not work. Anyway, you are a beginner. I didn't train you. It's okay. But from now onwards, this is wrong practice. If you do this, you will not get out results. Make sure that 70% image should be there and 30% text. Same happened with the Salim, your image as well. So the creative is really good actually. It's attractive, but here, you know, it's clumsy again. You want to tell that 100% job guarantee, advanced digital marketing course, get trained by expert, when it is starting, book your freedom of phone number. Yeah, you feel that I'm adding too many things anyway. So it's around of 50% the text is there, So this is not correct again. So that's why what I'm doing is I'm reducing to 30%. If you see here, this is more like a creative only. This is already done. If you see, this is not clumsy. This is organized. And mostly this is the image, this is the space, the empty space, so much thing is there. And remaining place, they used it. So in this only you have to do it. Your greatness will be in such a way that with the 30% only, you should be able to convey your message. That's the skill. If anything is unwanted, you just remove it. If you don't want anything, just remove it. Now here, I want to use my brand. Okay. And if I have a logo, I'll use it. Otherwise, I'll just remove it. If you already spend time on Canva, you already know that. You can change the font size. Change the text color, of course. So I'm mentioning that my company is ODMT. Now I don't want this, just delete it. Okay. Now digital marketing. Okay. So of course, what is our main message? Digital marketing. I'm writing here is digital marketing, and the size has been increased. So I'm reducing it. Yeah. Learn digital marketing online, because ours is about online. I'm mentioning online. So here, topics, I'm mentioning the topics. SEO, Google Ads, social media. So I can add more, but not required. Whenever you're posting on Facebook, remember one thing, not everything you have to convey in the creative itself. Creative should be in such a way that people should stop by. And after that, just see this, whenever a person is posting something, you have an option here, right? The primary text, this is called a primary text. Here in primary text, you can add, see, you can write n number of things here, but I want people to stop by with this. People should stop by here. Now you can also see the creative is more, text is very less, but the font size they've increased. They want to highlight. Still, it's not a great one actually. They could have give more importance to this. That's why the engagement is not good. Whenever you see the giving importance to the creative, that will work well. And this is also a good one. 3 to 4 places only they use text, but they use in a big font. See one more ad. Yeah. Okay, if you see, mostly they covered with the image, but here somewhat content they used. But even if you see, just think about this image. Whenever you scroll down, this image will be highlighted. The color is good, but nobody read this thing. So nobody read this actually. But what fascinates the audience is this cost, $4.99. So what is important is 70% image, 30% text. Second thing is your brand name or logo. Third, what value you are giving. Okay, so what value you are giving? She is giving a value that she's teaching SQL at $4.99. This is fascinating number. So people have seen there is a woman, she's teaching SQL in $4.99. That's it, message delivered. Nobody read this. Now the engagement is good actually. Of course, they're running ads actually. But still some ads will not perform. Some ads will perform only because of these creatives actually. If you see here, the brand is Skill Nation. They clearly mentioned, and mostly 60 to 70% image they've given and what value they are giving. Next, fourth, call to action button. Call to action button is mandatory, like register now, enroll now. These kind of messages you should add. Let us go back here. Now here, this guy mentioned learn more. I can write book a free demo. Okay. But what is missing in here? I added a brand name, 70% image I have, and what value I'm giving, I didn't mention here. So I want to add some value to this one. So here, what I'm doing is 100% job guarantee I'm adding. Let me make it bigger. Right. Now there is a possibility people will stop by. You can use anywhere to highlight. Okay. Any creative use, like creative means not like a birthday wishes or festival greetings. When you want to create a post to get something, what is important is what your brand name, okay, what value you are giving, okay, and your call to action button. So call to action button should be clear. Otherwise, people just see and ignore. Whenever you mention a call to action button, people feel, okay, this guy asking me to do something. There is a possibility they'll be doing it. After that, you can download this and you can utilize it. JPG or PNG format, you can use this, and yeah, you can mention it. Any questions, guys? Any question? Sure. Pawan is there. Is this you, Harsha? VCube software? Hello?
No, sir. Harja just logged out
Then who
because
is
of
this?
internet problem. He's logging again.
Who is this VCube software?
He's Pratik, sir. He just joined in the meeting.
Pradeep.
Pratik, sir. Pratik.
Pratik.
Sir, Dinakar.
Dinakar. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Chalo, this is about the creative. Same, this creative was the same thing. Make sure that your brand logo should be there. What value you are giving, call to action button, and download. This is about the image. Mohan, any questions on this? Mohan, do you have any question in this? No, right? Salim, do you have any question? Salim?
No, sir.
Clear, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Next, same video as well. In the Canva, you have video formats as well. You can spend some time and make a video as well. But Biteable, these are the separately made for a video actually. So spend some time on the Biteable, you'll easily understand. I'll make a simple video here. Just see this. Biteable, either you can log in from a Facebook or else a Gmail ID you can log in. I log in from here. Okay. So there are a few videos I've created before. Let me make a new video here. There are already templates. You can use the templates. The UI has changed a lot. See here, announcements, emoting, happy birthday, explainer videos about the property and marketing, social media. So there are already videos. You can select them and you can change. Let me show you this. Let's see the preview here. So regarding insurance, they already created. So if you want, you can just click on this edit. All the slides will open. You can change your text. If you want, you can add your own text as well. You can add your own slides as well. New slides also you can add. It's very easy actually. And if you want, you can change the music as well. So because it's a video, it will take time. Here, this is one slide, right? So insurance contracts can be confusing. Now, this is not correct, but I'm just showing you digital marketing. All right. Now, in such way, remaining slides also you can change. If you want to add some slide here, there is an option here, add. These are different slides actually, you can add.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking? Yeah, because I got a call. I don't know why. Now is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Clear, right? No. Yeah, so there's a different slides you can add here. Has anybody tried Biteable, guys? Nobody tried, I think. I think you have used Canva. So in such a way, you can change it, add slides and publish it. But more challenging in Biteable is when you start from the scratch actually. So click on the new video, create a video from a scratch. This is more challenging. Just see this, how it is. My new video. And here video shape as well, what size you want it. Because sometimes Instagram Reel or YouTube short, this is good actually. So the proper size also they mentioned. By default one I'm going. We'll discuss about the sizes in the future classes. What size you have to choose for what platform. Yeah. So these are all the different slides. You put your cursor, you can see what's happening. Now you can put a trainer image and he'll be talking about it. Let me put a cursor here. See, this slide is like this. Image background. This is like this. Now, when you put a cursor, this is like this. And this is a cloud. Then the content is coming. This is about the video. Yeah. She's explaining. Let me select this.
అరే నువ్వు బ్లూటూత్ పెట్టుకో డబుల్ వస్తుంది
Your scene has been added. Once your scene has been added, it has been changed. Oh, this is undo. New video. Edit. We add few of them. Then styles. Edit. Yeah. Now it added here. Now everything can change. Added 4 slides. You can change one by one, and you can add a music. You can keep adding the slides here. Whatever you want, it's already adding in a background. And you can select the style, which style you want it. Then finally, you can edit all the slides. Publish. Previously, this was in a free plan. Now it's become complicated actually. Even it's been a long time I did use. Let's go for spark.adobe. You guys spend some time, guys, and let me know how it is, whether is it allowing me or not. And this is spark.adobe. Window has changed. And Canva, though, it's very easy. The video is already pretty different templates are there. You can put it and change it. I think all of you tried in Canva, right? Salim?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today try
Yes,
it.
sir. Sir, I'm audible.
Huh? Yeah.
Sir, I'm audible.
Salim, tell me. Your voice is breaking, Salim. Tell me, Salim.
Yeah, I tried in Canva only, sir.
I tried in Canva only. Okay, right. So I'm trying actually. I have no luck today because the Biteable is not working. They made it as a premium. So after the class, I will check and let you know. You can try it on Canva itself, and you also check in Biteable. And there is one more thing I mentioned, Powtoon, right? But you have to. This all previously it's free. Slowly it has been changed. Powtoon is really good. Most of the big companies use Powtoon videos. This is all the brands are using here. Here also predefined templates will be there. You can use the template or you can start from the scratch. Even you can give a voiceover also in this. But when you use the premium version, it will be very good actually. Okay. And one more last thing I'm going to tell you, that is about Animaker. Animaker is advanced version where you can create avatar. And this is really good for the product explanations. Explanatory videos, this is really good. Again, see this, all the brands are using this. So these kind of avatars. So you can select an avatar, you can change that, you can change the background, you can make it walk, run, everything you can do it. So, but if you want to use Animaker, your internet speed has to be very fast. Then it will work. This will be very slow. I'll show you one video. Just see how that guy is creating a Animaker. Animaker. Well, if you try this today. Yeah, I'm selecting this. Let me share sound for you.
Hey folks, in
Guys, can you hear the sound? Yes, right?
this video we will
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
see the easiest way to create a walk cycle. The usual way of creating a walk cycle is to draw different poses involved in walking frame by frame and make them run in a loop, which is a time-consuming and a tedious process for any non-artist person. But in this video, we are going to see a much more simple and easy way.
And whatever the video you are seeing here, this is done with the Animaker only. So it's not impossible. He selected one avatar. He selected some background. This is the background. And this guy is keep on talking. It's by default. And one more avatar is making move from one place to another place. And whatever the music is coming, that is a voiceover. You can give the voiceover as well.
To create a walk cycle. This video is specially meant to help beginners and non-artists who are not a pro in drawing. Sounds interesting? Hop on, let's get started. Go to the website of Animaker and select create your first video icon present at the center. You will be redirected towards the sign up page of Animaker. Enter your credentials and sign up, or if you already have an account, log in using the link at the bottom. You can also log in using the Google account over here. Once you sign up, you will be redirected towards the dashboard page of Animaker. Create a new blank project by selecting the following options. Now you are looking at the interface of Animaker application. On the center,
So now here, these are the avatars we have. We can select any one of them.
you have the workspace where you will bring in the animation character and create the walk cycle. On the right side is the scene section. Scenes are more like the slides in your presentation. As the slides combine to form a presentation, scenes combine together to form a video. On the left is the library, and on the bottom is the timeline, which lets you create the walk cycle animation. Let's start with adding a background image to the scene. I'm going to the background section and selecting a background. Now get to the character section on the left side of the interface and choose a character that you like. You can also create a custom character using the option over here. If you want to know more about creating custom characters, check out the video link in the description. Once you select a character, on the right side you can see a new window opening. It consists of all the actions that can be applied to this character. Search the word walk and select the specific walk action that you want to use. You can also see a set of options appearing along with the character. Select the option named Smart Move in it. Once you click on it, on the timeline you can see there are 2 frames appearing. Consider these frames as 2 points, A and B, between which you want your character to walk. So for point A, let's set the character on the left side of the screen, and for the point B,
It's nothing. He selected a character, he selected the background, and there are some movements. You can see here, this will go straight. See, this is like one character staircase. He's doing the staircase, going up or coming down. He's taking a U-turn. Such way, so many options are there. If you select them, it's done. But here, what he's doing is from where to move, from this point to this point, so that this character will move from this place to this place. And you have a controls in such a way that whether you can make this character move slow or fast, those kind of options also available. So it's more like spending more time. You have a day today, spend more time on this, work 3 to 4 hours on different platforms, so you will understand. I spent a lot of time before. Nowadays, I'm depending on the experienced people. I'm using those videos actually. It's been a long time. That's why it's giving me trouble. You have a time, so I want you to experiment on this.
let it be on the right side of the
Does
screen.
it have any?
By doing this, the character will appear to be entering the scene through the left and exiting on the right side of the screen. Now go to the timeline and adjust the position of the frames to control the duration of the walk cycle. Let's set the first frame at the 1st second and the second one at the 5th second. This means the character is going to take 4 seconds to walk across the screen. Let's preview and see how this walk cycle looks. Pretty cool, right?
That's it, guys. Let's see. All of you try Animaker today and try to make a story on this. Instead of making character, try to create a story as well. Whether you want to explain about yoga, travel, or digital marketing. Pawan, you said something? You tried already?
No, sir. I haven't tried, but I searched for an application which can do this kind of things.
Okay. So
But
this
how
will be
how long video can we make with this?
There is no limit. There is no limit. You can make a bigger videos as well. But always paid versions are much better than the free versions. Today, people try free version, but in organization, when you got select, ask them to purchase it. See here, $10 per month. See here saying 5 minutes video length, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, length is there actually. But you know what? To create a 5 minutes video length as well, you have to work for 2 hours. It's not easy job. But there will be a value for that video because people see it as interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So this is about the video. All of you try today. And we spoke about image rules. Video nothing. It has to be clear. A nice music should be there or voiceover should be there. And always throughout the video, make sure that your brand should be there because people enjoying the video. If they like it, they'll definitely see what is this brand, so they can remember you. Finally, the Giphy. Giphy. So let me go for a Giphy. Yeah. So on social media, every day you keep on talking about your brand. People might be bored, So that's why sometimes you have to give entertainment. So these are all the entertainments. In these kind of entertainment things, what you write the caption, that's very important. Sometimes this caption gives you more love than anything else. So I'll show you one of the social media account here called Sarcasm. You might have seen the post of them before. See, 48 million followers they have. Just see this. So imagine getting this message from his mother. Don't leave my son. See the comments. Next, the smile after. So this caption is making this image more attractive. This guy is very good at it. See 252 comments. Okay. Conversation message. So create them. Okay. '90s kids. Oh, try to check this guy post whenever you want to create a meme kind of a page. The guy is really famous.
Yeah.
This is also so true. Setting alarm for 6 a.m. at 1
There's a
a.m.
fun
Yeah.
fact, sir. I actually started learning English from this page.
This page?
Yeah, by watching memes and all, I started learning to speak English.
Okay, good.
When I first followed this page, it has around 1.2 million followers. Now it has 40 million.
I'm going for a Giphy. When it comes to Giphy, it's good for memes actually. There are so many other things as well, but this is very famous one. You can take an image or write a caption, or you can take a video, or you can make a caption. First of all, create an account here. So I already have, so you can easily sign up with the Facebook as well. Facebook or Gmail, you can log in. Now I'm going to create it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a YouTube video. With that video, I want to make a Giphy. So I'm going for a Gipy song. This one. Guys, all of you with me? Mohan, Funny, Salim, Usha?
Yes, sir.
Right. Just observe this. What I'm doing is Jadiratnalu song I'm selecting. What I'm going to do is in the song, where is the funny part I observe? That with that funny part, I'm going to make a GIF. Just here. Zara got twins in 4 months. People are doing so much of memes on that. If you want, you can do that. If it is a memes page. Now I want to use it for my digital marketing only. Yeah, students after digital marketing codes are mentioned here, and I can change the color or how you want this. Even animation is also there. You can add stickers. Same like a Snapchat, you have a different stickers here. If you want, you can add filters as well. Or else if you want, you can draw yourself. Thing is required, just continue to upload. You can add tags. Yeah, upload to Gipy. Now it will get uploaded and you can use this Gipy. Because social media, people like these only. Entertainment. Whenever a guy enjoy to this GIF, then he will see who created this. And 4 to 5 times you making them happy, then the 5th time he will follow you. So social media, it's a process, don't expect in a day actually. You keep on trying your efforts and definitely followers will increase. Whatever the brand it is, continuously working, they'll get followers. Even sarcasm as well, they didn't get much followers initially. They keep on posting, still they're posting. If you see here, 22 hours back he posted. And this post is about 21 hours. This is 20 hours. So every hour he's posting. So he's working hard. That's why he's getting the engagement. Okay. Once it is done, you have an option. Can you hear me, guys? All of you? All of you, can you hear me?
Yes.
Right.
So,
Yeah. So taking time, but once it is done, there is a MP4. I can click on that. I can download and wherever I want, I can use it. So with this, we learned image, video, and the GIF. Now, let's talk about one more thing called Bitly. Does anybody know, guys, what is Bitly? Has anybody heard of this Bitly?
no, sir. No, sir.
Bitly is a URL shortener. You know what? Whenever you want to share something on the Twitter, assume that you want to share this profile you want to share here. Okay. Now, Twitter is a microblogging site where the character limit is 280 characters only. But here you share, whenever you share the link, mostly this is eating actually this many characters. To reduce this, we have something called Bitly. Bitly is a URL shortener. Whatever the big URL is there, you can take it and you can paste it over here. So it will shrink it. It will give you short form. In many social media, you might have seen this, but you might have not observed. People use Bitly. Even in Instagram also people use that whenever they have a links. Okay, yeah, it's Bitly. Now what I'm going to do is, so if you want, you can create an account, but without creating an account as well, you can do it. Now I selected the complete big URL of their Facebook account. Now I mentioned here, I click on shorten. Now they'll give you short form. Even that short form also you can use here. This is the short form. This short form is equal to this one. Not only this, if you have a big URL which is 250 character length as well, it will shrink to this much. And this is unique. This is unique. You can use this in a social media. So you are reducing the size. And the thing is, it will go to the same link. See, it is going to the same link. And again, Bitly, if you use the paid version is really good actually. What it will do is, whenever you share this short link, where you have shared, how many people clicked, and whether they engage or not, what is their age, in such way complete analytics will be coming on the Bitly, which is really good option. See, free of cost, Bitly branded link will be in bio, means bit.ly will come. But if you go for a paid version, I just see this is also same thing, but here custom domain. If you want, you can mention ODMT dot something. Your own brand, you can use it over here. But nobody want to spend this much amount on this. Maybe people can go for this much. Link in bio, link redirects, data export, access to support. When you're working for the company, then just tell them, see here, how many things they're giving. And sometimes when you learn the tools as well, you're learning so many things as well. These are all the things. So we are all stepping towards learning social media. So whatever important I'm telling you, Bitly is also one more thing where you can brush up. So one more thing I'm giving as a task for all of you. Okay. So I want all of you to have Facebook account. Apart from the Facebook account, I want you to create a page and come back. Create Facebook page, only Facebook page enough. Okay. An Instagram account enough, normal account, LinkedIn account, Twitter account, but only Facebook page created. So if you go to Facebook page and if you click on these 9 lines here, there is an option called page and you can start creating the page, whatever they gave. Why I'm asking, because now when you see this sarcasm, this guy is posting every hour. Do you really think that this guy sitting and posting it? Do you really think, guys? So do you really think that every hour he's sitting and posting all these things? And what he's doing there?
No, sir. There will be some multiple admins, I guess.
Multiple?
Admins, like.
Salim, what are you saying?
Okay, the
Automation.
schedule, sir, calendar.
So that's what they're doing. They are scheduling the post. How they are scheduling the post? There are tools like Buffer. Buffer is a beautiful tool. I'm going to explain you tomorrow. You can also try it and come back tomorrow to create a Buffer account. So what Buffer will do now for ODMT, assume that I have all social media accounts. I want to post to my Twitter audience, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The same creative I'm posting, but separately I'm going to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram and posting. This is a time-consuming process. Where Buffer, what you can do is you can link all your social media accounts once. Next, you never need to go to Facebook, Twitter again. Directly log into Buffer, post something. Automatically, it will share on all the social media. That is the beauty of the Buffer. Okay. Why I asked you to create a page? Because Facebook account, you can't include. You should have a Facebook page or a group. That's why I'm asking you to create a page. Tomorrow, I'll be spending time on creating a page and Buffer account as well. But I'm giving you task. You already done image. Again, I'm talking about the task. I want everyone to create one image. I want everyone to create one video. Okay. And one GIF. Create FB page. 5th, create Buffer account. Again, I'm telling you, social media, it's all about you doing than I'm teaching. So I'll be utilizing this 1.5 hour time, I'll tell you, but 3 to 4 hours you have to work. Social media salaries are great than SEO or Google ads. Very good salaries. Now today after this class, I'm posting one job requirement and salary is 17 lakhs. Think about it. 17 lakhs the salary is. So I posted somewhere here. I'll be opening that. I'll be making a video actually. So people are ready to give 17 lakhs as well. So learn properly. This is the right time for you. So give some time for this so that you'll get benefit with this. Clear, guys? Now just I'll revise the things. Social media, whenever you're posting, creative have an important role because people stop by a stunning video or a clearly mentioned image. They'll be stopping by. Of course, I'm telling you, all social media videos are dominating. Videos are really dominating. It doesn't mean that images are not working. Image is also working, but I'll be pitching you to become more of video. Okay. Down the line, 1 week, I'll be asking everybody to come in front of the camera and make a video. And this is mandatory because that only giving business. whenever I started coming in front of the camera, from that point of time, my sales are increasing. So you can also follow the same thing. See, these people are making, so what is there here? Nothing is there. They made this stupid video and they got this many views. Because people have a time, man. People who are ready to watch anything. So if you have a good sense of humor, you can make content, come forward and make videos. Okay. Video separate, we have a time. And whenever you're talking about the image, make sure that don't make a clumsy images. Clumsy images are not good. So we've seen Mohan and Salim images. They added a lot of text. Nobody is going to stop by with that kind of creative. So make sure that 70% image should be there, 30% text. Your brand name or logo should be there. What value you are giving? Because by the time you're scrolling, you should stop by with your stunning offer or something. 100% job guarantee. Okay. Or 10,000 discount, 10,000 referral amount. These will attract others. Then definitely there should be a call to action button. Right. And that's it. And this is the task. Any questions, guys, in today's session? Harsha, any question you have? Okay. Mohan, any question you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Salim, no questions, right?
No, sir.
Okay, then. That's it, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Join with the same link. Tomorrow, when you come back, I'll check all of your images, videos, GIFs, and try this. But again, I'll be teaching you how to create a page and how to create a buffer account, how to link them. I'm going to show you. And I'll also show you how to create 30 days calendar. I'm going to show you. Because when you're working with the big companies, you will not post tomorrow's work today. 30 days prior, you should work on it actually. So how to create 30 days calendar, what kind of tactics you have to use, I'm going to explain you tomorrow. Okay. Chalo then. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.